Hey, it's Andrew Wilson with Londonlicious. It's minus 1 gazillion degrees outside, but I knew I was coming to see Chef Andrew at Craft Farmacy, and I couldn't stay home. See you inside. Alright, we're inside, and I would kind of describe the decor as a modern farmhouse chic, little rustic vibe to it. Now, because Andrew is being so fantastic to us, we're actually going to go inside the kitchen and see what he's cooking up inside the war room. Hey, Chef, I love it. What do you have?
We have a roasted bone marrow with an oxtail marmalade. Voila, some roasted garlic, crostini, and Malden salt. Very, very, very tasty. Very tasty.
As always, Chef Andrew has delivered. This was a phenomenal dish, and I absolutely loved it. If you've never had bone marrow before, don't feel like it's beyond your comfort level. It really is absolutely amazing. The flavor is beautiful. If you haven't tried it, call them right now and make reservations. Come down, see Chef Andrew, and let them know I said hi, and we'll see you at the next restaurant.